What's going on, y'all? Today we doing one of my favorite shrimp scampi, y'all. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So the first thing we gonna do, we gonna get some water into a pot. That's so we can prepare our side, which is some boiled potatoes, y'all. Real simple. Of course, you know we had to salt that water, y'all. We had to rain on it. Hit it with a little salt, and then we hit it with a little bit of red peppercorn, which bring a little fruitier flavor than black peppercorn. And just let that boil until them potatoes become tender. Now into a pan, we gonna get a whole stick of butter in there. 2 heaping tablespoons of garlic. Now you don't have to use that much garlic. That's just me. I like that much garlic in my shrimp scampi, y'all. This is what it is. Then we gonna get our shrimp in. Now this is a real quick recipe. Don't take long to make shrimp scampi, y'all. So we gonna go ahead and rain on it. We gonna hit it with a few herbs, which is parsley and basil, and a little bit of oregano. Hit it with a little salt and pepper, and a little bit of that cayenne, y'all. Give it a mix. And we just waiting for our shrimp to get done, y'all. Which doesn't take long at all, y'all. Not long at all. So as soon as our shrimp and butter and everything has combined well, we ready to eat. So let's check our taters. And those taters are looking nice and tender. So let's grab one and plate up. Oh yeah. I got my beautiful taters. I'm gonna get that shrimp scampi right on top. And look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness, all that good butter. So let me get a bite. Oh my goodness. So tasty, y'all. So tasty.